Good morning, families and friends. You see, my topic for this morning is dressed for holiness. Exodus 28:31-39. Imagine standing before God, not in ordinary clothes, but dressed intentionally, thoughtfully, and purposefully. See, in Exodus 28, God designs the garments of the high priest. Every detail matters because holiness matters. See, the robe was all blue and the color of heaven. Before Aaron could serve, his life had to be wrapped in heaven's values. That tells us something powerful. See, God cares more about who we are becoming than what we are doing. See, at the hem, there were bells and pomegranates. See, the bells made sound, and the pomegranates, they bore fruit. Here's the lesson. Sound without fruit is empty noise. See, fruit without sound is silent faith. God calls his people to both truth that can be heard and character that can be seen. See, then there was the golden plate on the forehead, which read holiness to the Lord. Not on the hands, not on the feet, but on the mind. The reason why is because holiness begins with what rules your thoughts, your choices, and your loyalty. And finally, Aaron bore the iniquity of the people's offerings. Even their best worship needed a mediator. That's where Adventist theology points us clearly to Jesus. See, our prayers, our service, our obedience are accepted, not because they are perfect, but because Christ carries them. Here's the takeaway. God doesn't just save us. He clothes us. He covers us with Christ's righteousness and calls us to live lives that make a holy sound in the world. See, friends, holiness isn't about looking religious. It's about being fully surrendered. And when Christ dresses you, you are ready to stand before God. God bless.